Hey guys, this is Steve from Trim That Weed, and today we're going to talk about how to heat a greenhouse in winter for free. This video will take you through the best methods that you can explore to achieve this, so stick around for the best guide. Thermal mass. One of the best ways to heat your greenhouse is by employing thermal mass. You'll execute this using water barrels, which store thermal energy. Gather several water barrels and expose them to a section of the greenhouse that paves sunlight. For maximum heat absorption, look for black painted barrels. During the day, the watch barrels will absorb surrounding excessive energy, creating a cooling effect. When it reaches nighttime and the temperature drops, the water barrels release energy to the greenhouse. Apart from barrels of water, you can use soil, gravel, ceramic pots, stones, paving bricks, concrete block, and dark sand to facilitate thermal mass. Livestock. Another option is having part of your greenhouse as a makeshift for livestock. For instance, you can partition a small corner to accommodate chicken. These birds will release heat in the greenhouse, especially when temperatures go low. Apart from chickens, you can set up a rabbit hutch inside the greenhouse, where you will rear rabbits. Compost. Compost heaps generate heat through the breakdown of various components in the heap. You can choose where you will place the compost. Experts advise that you should place it centrally. The generated heat will spread to all the areas of the greenhouse evenly. Keep in mind that it will take up space and may attract pests, like mice, and not to forget the gross smell. If this proves difficult, make a compost heap outside the greenhouse next to its walls to direct the generated heat inside the greenhouse. Insulation. You can reduce heat loss in your greenhouse through insulation. Look for horticultural bubble wraps, which are thicker compared to the normal variety. Having a bubble wrap in your greenhouse will prevent frosting by raising the temperature. In addition, you can use garden fleece, which is a good heat insulator that will protect your plants from frost damage. So, there you have it. Now you can heat your greenhouse without breaking the bank. I hope this helps. Feel free to leave a comment, like, and share this video. Till next time.